Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make group on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Snapchat application, then click on chat icon, and now click on this icon here and click on new group. And so select those people whom you want to add on your group. Click on new group and give a name here. And then click on chat with group. So here you can see I successfully created a group on Snapchat. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.